Students, what we want to do is for chemistry part, आज लिहायचं जास्त नाही आहे, so no worries. Concentrate here. We'll continue with chemistry part. First, law of multiple proportion. Very easy it is actually. तुम्ही फक्त कळून घ्या. Law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion, very easy here. What does it states? If two elements A and B combine to form one or more compounds, those elements, if you take two elements A and B and you make them combine to form not one single compound but more than one compound, then the elements do so to form compounds in their simple whole number ratio. I'll repeat again. If two elements, दोनों elements select करायचे, if two elements form more than one compound, if two elements combine to form more than one compound, then they do so in the simple whole number ratio. Example, बघा हा, you take hydrogen, you take oxygen. You know hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form two important compounds. One is water and one is hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen combines with oxygen to form two important compounds, that is water and hydrogen peroxide. Here we can take what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 2 gram. 2 gram of hydrogen react with 16 gram of oxygen to form 18 gram of water. 2 plus 16, 18. Same 2 gram of hydrogen combined with 32 gram, double घ्यावा लागतो oxygen, to form 34 gram of hydrogen peroxide. I'll repeat. What is law of multiple proportion here? If two elements combine or chemically react to form two different compounds, more than one compound basically, then they do so in the simple whole number ratio. Example, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water also. It also reacts with oxygen to form hydrogen peroxide. Here, if you compare the amount of B which reacts with A, it's in a simple whole number. Then the amount of आता हा element A जर धरला, हा element B जर धरला, then the amount in which B reacts with A is in the form of simple whole number. Means 32 grams of oxygen react with 2 gram of hydrogen to give hydrogen peroxide. Similarly, 16 grams of oxygen reacts with 2 gram of hydrogen to give water. So, two elements combine to form two different compounds. Then the amount of the mass of B which combines with A is in the simple whole number ratio. Mean 32/16 is a simple whole number ratio है तो, that is 2/1. That is called as law of multiple proportion. परत रिवाइज करते हैं. If two elements A and B combine together to form more than one compound, then the mass of element B that combines with element A is in the simple whole number ratio. म्हणजे हायड्रोजनचे तुम्ही दोन्ही साइडला 2 ग्राम घेतलेत, पण ऑक्सिजन for water you have taken 16, whereas for peroxide you have taken 32. I'll give you two more examples. One more example. आता हा एक जरा we discuss one more example where two reactions will be discussed. Nitrogen combines with oxygen to form nitric oxide. This is your nitric oxide. Also nitrogen reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. What is this? Nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen, let me say A, this is B. Nitrogen 14 grams. Here also 14 grams. Here I am selecting oxygen as 16 gram to form nitric oxide, but here we require oxygen 32 gram to form nitrogen dioxide. Means the ratio of element B, the mass of B which reacts with A is in the simple whole number ratio. Here 16 is 32. Here कितने जाना students? This is 30 gram and this is 32, 46 ग्राम. कळते म्हणजे mass of B which combines with A is in the form of simple whole number ratio, that is 32/16, which is 2/1. That is law of multiple proportion. Are you okay? Point number 1. Next students, Gay-Lussac's law. See the spelling? Gay-Lussac's law. What is the Gay-Lussac's law? When gases combine, gases से related है Gay-Lussac's law. B is combining with A will remain same, but B in first case it is 16 gram, in second case it is 32 gram. So 32/16 is 2/1. Now Gay-Lussac's law. When gases react, gases combine or gases are formed in the given chemical reaction, then they do so in equal volume. They react by equal volume at same temperature and pressure. I'll repeat. When gases combine or gases are formed during a chemical reaction, then the volume of the gases are in the same whole number ratio. Volume of the gases are in a simple volume of gases to form compounds is in the simple whole number ratio. Meaning काय? परत revise. When gases either are formed or when the gases combine together to form a product, then the volume of the gases are in the simplest ratio. त्यांचे जे volumes असतात, they are in simplest ratio at constant temperature and pressure. कळते? परत revise करते हैं. Gases combine, when the gases combine together or when they are formed, they always are in a definite ratio by volume at same temperature and pressure. Example काय? परत घ्या. Hydrogen plus oxygen results in the formation of water. Students, for that we require 2 liters of hydrogen gas. We require 1 liter of oxygen gas. We get round about 2 liters of water. तुम्ही म्हणजे इथे काय दिसतं आपल्याला? Actually मुलांना volume जे घेतो that is indifferent. For volume, if you want to, when the gases react, आता hydrogen gas है, oxygen gas है, तो तुम्हारा water liquid है, but water vapor is gas. Water vapor is in gaseous form. For that, if you want gaseous water, that is water vapor, we require 2 liters of hydrogen reacts with 1 liter of oxygen gas to form 2 liters of water vapor. Huh? Gases combine to form product. They are in definite ratio by volume at same temperature and pressure, meaning 2:1:2. Gases, when they either combine or they are formed, they combine and they form, they do so in the simple ratio by volume. म्हणजे if you take 2 liters of hydrogen, if you take 1 liter of oxygen, we definitely get 2 liters of water vapor. What is the ratio? They do so in the simplest ratio by volume, and that is 2:1:2. कळतंय? आता नायट्रोजन घ्या. नायट्रोजन गॅस आहे, हायड्रोजन गॅस आहे. We get ammonia. Here we require, we'll put it like this, 1 liter of nitrogen combines with 3 liters of hydrogen. Gases are combining to form 2 liters of nitrogen. Gases are combining to form ammonia. Here gas is formed, here gases are combining together. They do so in the simple ratio, indefinite ratio by volume. Volume किती? 1:3:2. This is called as the Gay-Lussac's law, meaning when the gases are formed or when the gases react, they do so in definite ratio by volume at constant temperature and pressure. इथं pressure आणि temperature बदलायचं नाही, because once you change this physical condition, product vary होतो, product change होतो. They do so in simple ratio by volume, that is 2:1:2 or 1:3:2. तुम्ही मोल्स वर जाऊ नका, तुम्ही बॅलन्सिंग रिएक्शनच्या बॅलन्सिंग वर जाऊ नका. That's it. This is what is called as the Gay-Lussac's law. Clear? I'll continue with the Dalton's theory and the Avogadro's law in the next period. Are you okay with this? Sure. For today we will stop, students.